have only 1 month in your hands to learn a language, it is definitely a challenge to do so, because there is so many things you need to focus on so many skills you need to practice on. Hello and welcome to the channel. This is Madhurika, and on this channel we talk a lot about traveling and speaking foreign languages, and today's video is about how to learn a language fast. Now, I understand that learning a language takes a lot of time. It may take years to learn a language, some might take months to learn a language, but if you know the proper ways and some tips and tricks, you can definitely learn or escalate your process of learning foreign languages. Now, this video is for the ones where if you have a time limit in learning a language, or if you're learning it since many years and still you can't get through the language. Here are some points and ways that I'm going to mention in the video that will definitely help you in learning the language faster. So let's get started. So the number one thing you have to do is focus more on the vocabulary. Learning a language involves a lot of skills that you have to practice, that is reading, writing, speaking and listening. But in all of these skills, you need to focus more on the vocabulary. So if you focus more on the vocabulary, for example, if you take your time out and do 70% of vocab more and 30% of other things like grammar and conversations, then that will really help you in accelerating your process of learning this language, because the more the words you know, the more you're able to recognize what that person is saying, or you'll be able to recognize your listening skills by understanding the words and the vocabulary. So focus more on vocabulary. Try to learn as much as vocabs, nouns, words, sentences as you can, rather than more going into the grammar. Of course, grammar is important, but if you are into a fast process and if you really want to learn the language fast, try putting your focus more towards the vocabulary. Point number 2 is increasing your memorization. Now, languages is all about remembering and memorizing things, because you see everything in a different way. You have a different name for every object, and even how you form your sentences is different. So you have to remember a lot. So work on increasing your memorization, because the more you remember, more you register, is the more faster you can learn, the more faster you can relate or connect to the person speaking or what is written in a book. I would like to highly recommend you to keep another book for vocabulary, because that will really help you on focusing your vocab and remembering these words, because you learn some word and then it's very easy to forget when you're learning so many of the words and sentences, and which has different meaning and which is used in 2 ways. So try keeping a book for only vocabulary, which is different from the grammar perspective. If you keep a separate book just for the vocabulary, you can always go refer and relearn it and remember it, and this will really help you in knowing the words much faster than just writing it different in different books. And trust me, when you start learning a language, you're gonna have a pile of books with you, because you've written everything here and there according to your levels, or maybe you're watching some video and then you write some word, so you basically write it everywhere. So try disciplining it by keeping just one book where you can write all your vocabulary, no matter what video you're watching or what audio you're listening. If you only have one book where you write all the vocab, all the words, then it would be a great way of learning this way. Point number 3 is to keep one source of learning. Now, for example, if you're practicing your reading skills, then keep only one book from which you're reading the article or your notes, because if you keep going there and keep rereading the article, it is more better for you to connect to those words and understand that words. Do not go to every single website every other day to try and read something, because you're definitely gonna forget, and that won't help you in your faster learning. And recently I've done an Instagram live with Piece of French, Elsa. She's one of the best YouTubers on the platform, and she suggested us on the live that you need to read from the books which comes with the audios, so you can read and also listen, and when you read out loud, you can actually make out what you are saying and what the audio is saying, so you can understand that whether you're going wrong or right. And if you haven't watched that live, do go to our Instagram handle and do watch it. She has amazing advice on how to learn a language and also on her YouTube channel. Point number 4 is hire a teacher or a tutor. Now, of course, this is quite an obvious one, because whenever you hire a teacher or a mentor, she is definitely gonna guide you in how to proceed with the language and where you're lacking, and it really gives you the discipline of learning the language. And also it gives you the structure, because when you try learning languages from different sources or different ways, it doesn't have the structure. Like, you learn some grammar but it doesn't go with the flow. So when you learn it with a teacher, she exactly knows which one you should learn first and which one you should learn next. So try learning it with a teacher. That is, I think, the fastest way that you can learn it. And point number 5 is surround yourself with everything you use, see, read with the language you want to learn. Yes, this will definitely help you in learning the language faster, because if you keep seeing the same words or the same people who are talking in the language, you'll definitely pick up very faster. If you keep listening to the podcast or music of the language you want to learn, you pick up faster, it registers faster in your brain. So even changing your phone language or changing your Netflix language, everything. So try surrounding yourself with the language. Is a very crucial part in learning a foreign language. That's it from my side. And if you know any more ways that has helped you to learn a language faster, any books that have helped you to learn a language faster, please comment down below and subscribe to the channel. And I hope you liked it. See you. Bye.